Welcome back from my tiny kitchen. Watch this step-by-step video and learn how to make the ultimate Biscoff brownies. Dollops of creamy Biscoff cookie butter, gently swirled in chocolatey, gooey, fudgy brownie. Perfection. Melt butter on medium heat. When all the pieces have melted, remove from the heat and mix in the chocolate until smooth. In a medium mixing bowl, whip eggs and sugar until it no longer has a lumpy texture. Then mix in the chocolate and butter mix. When the egg mix is smooth and velvety, mix in the dry ingredients. If you prefer a slightly stronger spice taste, you could add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to enhance the Biscoff flavor. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to get any unmixed bits, then pour into a prepared baking tin. Dollop on Biscoff spread and cover with the brownie mix. Avoid over swirling as you will lose the beautiful pockets of Biscoff in the brownie. When ready, arrange Biscoff cookies on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. There should be a slight wobble in the middle. Avoid overbaking, as this could lead to the brownie having a cakey texture. If possible, leave to fully cool at room temperature, then refrigerate for a few minutes to firm up. This makes cutting easier. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy making this delicious fudgy brownie as much as I did.